This is a SpanMake digital 3-point pH meter. These are the accessories that come with it, which include 3 buffers of 4, 7, and 9.2. It also comes with a temperature sensor and a pH measuring probe. This is the sensor stand included in the accessories. You need to fix it in the correct hole and rotate it. These are the buttons on the back. This is the power on or off switch, the power port, the pH electrode connector, the temperature sensor port, and the data logging button. Now take the power cord and plug it into the socket at the back. Now connect the temperature sensor, plug it into the port, and tighten it securely. Now take the pH glass electrode, connect it to the machine and secure it firmly. The pH electrode comes with a KCl solution bottle. Disassemble it carefully. And place the electrode in the stand like this. If you're not using the electrode, it's advised to place it back in the KCl solution bottle. Now power on the machine. Now the display shows the pH value, millivolt reading, and RTC. This is the calibration key. This button saves values to the PC. This shows the current temperature from the probe. And this is the hold button. When you press the menu button, you'll see various options. This is the Results tab, where all saved results are displayed. Pressing the up and down buttons lets you scroll through the results. Each result card shows the test number, pH, millivolt, temperature, and time. By pressing the F2 button, you can send the result to the PC while the USB cable is connected. Press F3 button to exit the results screen. When you press Next, you will arrive at Auto and Hold menu. Once inside, you can either have it enabled or disabled. Press Next to change real-time clock of the machine. To move the cursor, press Next. And to edit the values, press up or down arrow. Press Next. Here you can change scan speed of the machine. Next is manual temperature. Here you can adjust the temperature according to your environment. By default, it's set to 25 degrees Celsius, which is then used to calculate the pH. Now press Exit to return to the main window. Now we need to calibrate the machine using the provided buffers. Press F1 on the main window to open the calibration menu. Here we will calibrate buffers of 4, 7, and 9.2. To calibrate pH 7, fill this bottle with distilled water up to the 100 milliliters mark, then add the provided tablet and mix it well. Then, place both the temperature probe and pH electrode into the solution. Once the buffer is recognized, save it. Repeat this process for the other 3 buffers to complete the calibration. Press Exit once done. Back on the main screen, the machine is ready. Now place both probes into your desired solution to get an accurate pH reading.